Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on ICICI Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on ICICI Bank with a price target of Rs 1550. The bank is relatively well positioned in the current cycle as it continues to outperform peers on most of the parameters, exhibiting strong franchise strength despite sectorial headwinds, and thus current valuation premium to peers is likely to sustain. We believe bank is likely to sustain ROA over 2% in near to medium term. It remains our top pick in the private bank space. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 1 year, and it currently trades at 2.2 times its FY26 and 1.9 times FY27 core book value estimates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.